Hello, you beautiful people. How are y'all today? Well, I am back with my new vlog. Today's vlog is going to be about an outfit that I plan to create by getting the embroidery done on a beautiful mull dupatta. Well, guys, I love mull dupattas because these fabrics are so soft, and when you drape it, they just give you a perfect look. So that's what is in my mind. I will be getting the fabric colored or dyed because they are easily available in white shades. You do not get too many colors in mull. Once we pick up the fabric, once it's colored, I will get it embroidered by the karigar. And I have decided to do maybe something in a colorful thread. And once that is sorted, we will be picking up the fabric for the top and for the pants. I would be keeping that plain because again the highlight would be the dupatta. Once we are done with this, I would be going to my shop and doing the sketching, and then we reveal the complete look of how the outfit has turned up to be. So that's how the procedure for how we make an outfit from the base, and I like to share all the minute details with you. So trust me guys, just a small tip that I would like to share with you all today. If you all are getting something embroidered or getting some kind of karigari done by your karigar, then please make it a point that the threads they are used, the threads which are used are they do not bleed, as in when we wash they are waterproof. That's very important because sometimes we just get it done and the embroidery happens to, I'm especially talking about the machine embroidery, spoil the fabric. So just keep these minute detailing in mind. That's just a small tip I wanted to share with y'all. So without wasting time, let's go and pick up the fabric and do the designing bit for today's outfit. Let's go guys.
So here I am in the store, and as I mentioned, I will be checking out the mull fabric which I want to use for the dupatta. These fabrics are absolutely cotton based and they are quite soft. So once we get the embroidery done on this, it looks something like this, as I had picked up a cotton fabric and then got this overall thread embroidery done on it. And if you see, the work looks so beautiful, as I have also done an edging on the border in this kind of scallops, which has got a combination of three colors, three different threads, and also small minute sequences are used all over. So this is how the complete thing has turned up to be, and it's looking absolutely beautiful and stunning. If you see, there is this kind of French knot work that we have done on the dupatta edges and then made it like a cut work design on the borders. So the complete look of it is come out to be very satisfactory to the way I wanted. This is what we do once the dupatta is done. I will be picking up the plain fabric which I need for the suit, for the top and the pants, and I'm just trying to match it with the color of the dupatta, which is a nice aqua bluish greenish shade. This is what I'm liking. If you see, there is this kind of greenish tone which is available, which matches with my dupatta. And it's a lovely raw silk, so I guess I would be going with this because the mull dupatta is also got some shine on it. It's not absolutely very dull, so I don't want to go with just a cotton suit because that would not give that shine and grace to the complete outfit. So I guess for the pants and dupatta, this is what I am liking, and I'm going to pick it up because something like a little lighter, darker shade would really look beautiful and stunning. So yes guys, this is what I would be doing for the fabrics. Once the set is complete, I have to check out some accessories, as the laces which can be just put around the neckline, slits, the hem of the kurta and the pant bottoms. And I'm looking out for something which is very minute, as I have done a off-white color thread embroidery on the dupatta. So I am looking out to place that kind of shade around the neck, armhole, and this is what I am quite fascinated about. It's really looking beautiful. It gives an amazing edging to the outfit. These tiny white flowers, quite liking it, and I guess this is what I wanted. I don't want something very big. I don't want something very colorful. I want just something which can highlight the neckline, the slits, the flare of the top and the bottom of the pants. So this is, I think, absolutely suits my requirement, and I guess I'm gonna go with the one which I just removed because this is it. There are no two thoughts to it. Now guys, once I am done with this, I come to my store to do the sketching for the outfit so that Master G can follow the sketch and complete the look of it. I'm looking out to place the laces at the edge, at the flare, at the slits, and I'm just making a note of the cutwork dupatta that we have. This is how the dupatta has all over the scattered work. The dupatta is long enough, which is like a nice 2.5 meters, and the top is got the lace overall, which is around the neckline and also at the bottom of the pants, because I always like to place the lace at the bottom. That gives a completeness. The length of the pant is 35 inches and the bottom is 15 inches. I am also making a note for the measurements for the top. The chest size ready is 36 inches, and just making a note that the lace needs to be on the edging of all over the top. So that's how it is, and there would be no liner required for this as it's quite thick. So that's it, and the top length is long, which is 50 inches, writing the shade, which is a beautiful greenish tone for the outfit. And guys, this is the complete look of the outfit. Isn't it so beautiful? The dupatta looks absolutely gorgeous, matching with the fabric that we have picked for the top and pants. And if you see the edging that we have used, those off-white or whitish flowers which are falling on the edging of the top and the bottom pants, it's so beautiful and so stunning. It really looks attractive and it stands out so well, completely to what my mind frame, how I wanted the outfit to be. It's absolutely suiting my requirement, and I am quite impressed with the way it's turned up to be. So guys, this is the complete look of the outfit, and trust me, it is absolutely gorgeous. If you like it, it's really simple. Just pick up the fabric, get the embroidery done and accessorize it, and trust me, you can also make a similar looking outfit within a nice price. Thank you for watching, and if you like, then please share, like and subscribe. Thank you friends. Take care. I'm Trisha Sidwani.